Well, look what the FedEx guy just brought. Let's get that installed. So we have had the Morryde solid steps on our trailer for some time now. I installed those a while back, and when you install those, you take out the old stairs and it leaves a gap, and Morryde has the gap solution with this box, and they say it's a super easy install, and we want to use it to fill that gap. But I'm also thinking it's going to be a great place to put our leveling blocks and our chocks. I don't want to put too much weight back there, but our leveling blocks and our chocks, because they come out before the stair comes down. So let's see what we got to do to get this thing installed, and come with us. This is going to be fun. So first, let's see what they ship in the box. And this is exactly how it came. There was no outer box, no nothing. But I guess, you know, the thing's going to be outside, you know, hanging under your trailer. What are you going to hurt? We're very impressed with the Morryde stuff that we've seen, and definitely our steps are perfect, so we're excited about this. All right, well, it's packed very well. I might have to flip this. That's the box. And there's styrofoam. They've got it packed in a really good styrofoam. And I feel like there's something under here. Yeah. I believe those are mounting brackets. And I'm going to assume there's nothing else in the box, so these are mounting brackets. Let's get this plastic off of here. All the hardware that you need, nuts and bolts, and instructions. Yeah, doesn't seem too complicated. Let's get this bad boy on. Okay, step one was to bolt these left and right brackets in. I haven't tightened them down yet because I'm not sure if I need to go down a hole or up a hole. So now I'm going to take the box and fit it in there, and then the rest of it's pretty easy. Okay, so now we just have to tighten these four in here that hook onto the bottom of the bracket, and then we're done. Okay, the last thing to do is there are two set screws in here. I'll get in close, and what those do is they push up against the frame and they keep things from shifting side to side. I'll bring you in here. So these screws right here are in a rivet, and basically you just tighten that and it will start pressing up against the frame right there, right here. And that'll start pushing up against that frame. You can actually see it in there, right there. And I'm just gonna give that a quick tighten. And then we're done. Okay. I apologize if it's real shaky. Okay. Wow, that is solid as Sears. And I got the key in my pocket. And that's not going anywhere. And there's the finished product. Perfect. Perfect. Levi, is that perfect? Hey, is that perfect? Yep. Okay. Let's close. Okay, so another quick and easy project. We picked up this box. Now, this is crazy. We actually picked it up at Camping World because it was cheaper at Camping World than it was on Amazon. And it's the genuine Morryde product. So, you know, Morryde stands behind it. The entire install took, what, 15 minutes? And, you know, you just need a 7/16 and a 9/16 and you're good. And the whole thing is done. Okay, remember to like and subscribe. You know, hit that button. Remember that a happy life starts in a happy place. We got ours, and we're motivating you to find yours and get the most out of your RV. All right, we'll see you in the next video.